So guys, this is my lessons to the Z period. So the negative elements: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, water, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, fluorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, titanium, vanadium, cornelium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium. Okay, so we need to come to the equation to answer. So we gotta type some F E N O the F E and O 2 V and O 2. I'm gonna make it bigger. So we have O2. So we need to 34 Fe. Put it make it AU 34. So we need to balance, not balance. Free from what feed is not per se right. Okay. Now it's the same. Now it's done. So let's try to unknitting. So let's go to the virtual wrap. Then we put some this one to make protein to the spark. We put sodium into the water. Okay, let's reset. Add water. Not Na, that's to the element. How about we can just comment though. Where is NaCl? NaCl is salt, so let's put salt on it. And we put salt, then let's heat up. Now the NaCl is gone. And we need to put silver in there. Silver, heh, I'll expense. So I just make us let's make a spread going. I think it's much more in the bed area. So that's next to the next one. So let's go to the table. So hydrogen is the first chemical or element in the universe. So we need to type the other method. Group period 1 by 1, case step, gas, and the electron block is S. So we need a hydrogen bond block to this method. So let's just make it as a hot list. So working atomic mass between coefficient on S, polycene 101 of 14 neutrons and electrons to the just make it for me. Okay. So next element. The second element is helium. Type is a noble gas. It's 18 to 1. Phase to gas is a gas, and electron block is S. And she's in no more ions. Okay, let's make it speaking. The protein is 2, the neutron is 2, and the electron is 2. This is kinda like a orbital in the term that's called electricity. And this is an atom. Then you can use an oxygen. Next, the third link is lithium, a lucky metal, and it's just a solid metal. And the electron block is S. So let's make little lithium. The only common lithium is ordinary compounds and a battery of materials. Got it. So the three proton and fusion and 3 electrons. 1, 2, 3. So there's 2 on the first and there's a 1 in the second. How we know that? So we need to go to the CJs. Let's go. The fourth one is beryllium. High earth, so it's the metal, it's a solid metal, and negative bulk is S. Another one. So 4 electrons in that. And let's check your stuff. Beryllium, 4 protons, 5 neutrons, and 4 electrons. So next one. Now The fifth one is boron. Boron is a metalloid and solar metal like no other. So let's go. So the atomic mass is 10.81. The composition is helium 2s2 2p1. So to balance E3, 5 protons, 6 neutrons, and 5 electrons. So you know there's a 5 on it. It's the fifth boron. Fifth, it means 5 balls. Right? Oh, I skipped one. So the sixth one is carbon. The type is a other non-metal. It's solid. Solid metal. Electricity swat is P. Carbon. Carbonide is P. You know carbon plus oxygen, it's make carbon dioxide. Sure, it's made of carbon. Okay. The protons is 6, neutron is 6, and electron 6. And we can balance the 4 and helium to S2 to P2. So let's look at this. Oh, radioactive. Carbon is not radioactive, well-known radiation dating. Huh, that's weird. I cannot see radiation people yet. So I'm the naked special format to make it myself. How we know that? So let's get them. The seventh of this is nitrogen. My brother said is okay. Let's go for it. Other non-metal is just as a gas. It's in the air to grow some plants. The common nitrogen is common. There's a nitrogen metals. There's a metal and nitrogen not free because free from it. Let's do this. So it's just a method that atomic mass is 114,007. Conversion helium 2s 2p3. The balance is 5 and proton 7, neutron 7, electron 7. So we need to come into key. So next, oxygen that we breathe. And my brother said he's tired of breathing it. So the type is a non-metal. It's just a gas, and the actual is P. Oxygen is the oxide in the common isolate nanometal oxide. So let's do the part. So the atomic mass 5999, concentration helium 2s 2ps 2ps, and see you in part.